Hey there, I'm Sage Berger, performance coach, and my mission is to help you achieve your mission. Today I'm going to share with you a formula that you can use to turn 2024 into your best year yet. Let's get back straight into it. The formula for personal cultivation. The formula for personal cultivation is a formula that can help you to become who you need to be to achieve the desired outcomes that you've set for yourself. Let me explain. Personal cultivation is you improving, right? You're improving to become somebody. Now, who do you need to become? First of all, you have to figure out where you are right now. So point number A is this green man here. Point number B is the process of becoming. And then point number C is where you want to be, the desired outcome that you want. What you need to do is you need to take the formula and overlay it over what you are currently doing in your life. Let me explain. M plus S plus H plus R equals PC. This is mindset plus skill set plus habits plus rules equals personal cultivation. What I mean with this is you have to determine right now, where you are now, you have to determine what is the mindsets that you predominantly have all the time. These mindsets make you behave in certain ways, and you need to find out what your mindset is. You have to be honest with yourself and understand what that mindset is. Number 2, skill sets. You need to figure out right now what is the skill sets you possess that's helping you and what you need to develop in order to get to where you want to go. The next one is habits. Look, our life is the sum total of our most practiced habits. So your most practiced habits right now is giving you your current life experience. Those habits goes under this green man, okay? And then the rules, most people don't even know what rules they play by. They don't even know what game they're playing. And if you don't know the game or the rules, you are bound to lose no matter what you do. So this is how you do it. You take your mindset, your skill set, your habits, and the rules that you're playing by at the moment, and you write them all down on a piece of paper. Turn the paper landscape. On this side, you write what's under A. Then you go to the other side, and then you say, okay, for me to get my desired outcome, for example, I will use, you're making 500K per year. You want to make 1 million per year. Now, this million will be twice as much as the 500, which in simple terms mean that you need to do double. If you work 10 hours a week, now you got to work 20. If you work 40, now you got to work 80. And you have to double the hours. You have to become the person that can double hours. You have to be productive. You have to manage your time. You have to manage your energy. You have to do all these things that a performance-based person do, right? And when you become the person that can achieve your outcome, your desired outcome, that is when that life experience is going to show up for you, because your habits, the most practiced habits at that point in time, is going to be habits that will support you to be the kind of person to make the million and not the 500K. Now, how do you do this? You write down what is these things that you have to have, and then you're going to say from A to C, I'm in a process of self-improvement. I'm going to improve myself into this person. And how do you do that? Every day you wake up and you get after it. You get after your desired outcomes, meaning you start behaving like this kind of person. You start talking like this kind of person. You have their thoughts, their mindsets, their habits, their skills. You play by the rules that they play by, because they are already winning the game. So if you can play by those rules, you stand a way better chance to win the game. And if you take the formula for personal cultivation and overlay it onto where you are right now, then go and determine who you need to become to get what you want. And then go right down a step-by-step starting plan. Remember, this plan won't make it from the front to the finish. You're going to have to change your plans, but you've got to start somewhere, right? So your starting plan is here, and then every single day you are just going to start there, and you're going to start progress towards this person. And when you get there, you're going to get your outcome. So I would like to encourage you to write down your desired outcome for this 2024, your Christmas time, what you want at Christmas time or in December at the end of the year. And then go and figure out what it is that you are, who you are right now, and what you need to change to get there. Write it down, get after it, day after day after day after day, and I promise you, 2024 will be the best year that you've had yet. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching my training today. All you got to do is take this formula and go apply it in your life and become the person that you need to be to have what you want out of your life. If this helped you, if you're going to be able to go and use it in your life to do better, please give me a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to the channel. We can use all the support. And last but not least, if you want to find out about any coaching programs, in the description below, you will find a link where you can see if you qualify. Until next time, don't forget to self-improve.